to fix our command menu doesn't appear when S Pen is removed from your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to make sure that the when S Pen is removed option is set to open air command. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap S Pen. Next, tap when S Pen is removed and then select open air command. To see the result, remove your S Pen from your phone. You can see that your phone will automatically open the air command menu when you remove your S Pen. From this menu, you can access apps or S Pen features that have been added before. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.